Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Clarissa, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my chicken shawarma. So let's cook. So here I have a little over 2 pounds of boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and I just washed and dried them. Now to this, I'm going to add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and that olive oil is just going to help your spices to stick. And we have a lot of spices here. I have 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika, 1 tablespoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper, but if you want it spicier, you can add more cayenne if you want to. I have 1 tablespoon of cardamon, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, and 1 tablespoon of cardamom. So I'm just gonna pour this over top of my chicken. You also want to grate in 2 large garlic cloves. And you want to salt and pepper to taste. I'm going to do about 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm going to crack in some pepper. You also want to grate in some fresh lemon zest. And I'm going to zest in 1 whole lemon. And I'm just going to put the juice of a half a lemon in here. And now you're just going to go ahead and mix this up. And I like mixing this up with my hands because that way I make sure that I'm getting it all over all of my chicken. I almost forgot to add my onion, so I'm going to add in a half of onion that I've just sliced into chunks. And you want to go ahead and mix that in as well. Now you just want to cover this up and put it in the refrigerator for 24 hours. While our chicken is marinating, I'm going to go ahead and make my yogurt sauce. And for this, you can use as much lemon as you want to. So I'm going to use about 2 teaspoons of fresh lemon juice. You want to salt and pepper to taste. And you need 1 garlic clove. Or if you want more garlic, you can add as much garlic as you want. With this sauce, you can pretty much make it to your liking. Now I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cumin. And I'm going to mix that up. And that tastes really good, so I'm going to leave it like this. If you want more garlic or lemon juice or salt or pepper, you can pretty much add however much you want, but this is good for me. So I'm going to cover this up and set this in the refrigerator, and this yogurt sauce will last for about 3 to 4 days in your refrigerator. Here I have some romaine lettuce, and I'm just going to cut this up into pieces. And I'm going to set this off to the side. And I'm just going to slice my tomato up. And I'm going to slice my tomato up into nice chunks. You don't want your slices to be too small. Now I'm just going to set this off to the side as well. So I went ahead and I marinated some chicken last night. So I'm going to go ahead and cook this chicken up. So I have my griddle pan heating up on a medium-high heat. And I'm just going to spray this with some non-stick spray. I know that I have oil on my chicken, but just to make sure, I'm just going to go ahead and spray my pan down. So I'm gonna let these cook up until they have a nice caramelized color to them. So it's been about 6 minutes, and I'm just gonna go ahead and flip these over. And you can see that nice caramelization on that chicken. That's what you're looking for. So we're gonna let these cook for another 6 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and take these out. You can see those nice grill marks on there. So these are ready to come out. And I'm gonna finish cooking up my last batch of chicken. And I'll check back in with you guys. Alright, so I just tinted some foil over top of my chicken just to keep it warm. You can see all those juices in that chicken like that. So now what you want to do, I'm gonna move some of this chicken over. You just want to take a piece of your chicken and you want to slice it up into pieces like this. You can see how juicy that chicken is inside. So I'm just going to continue to slice my pieces up, and when I come back, we'll go ahead and put our chicken on our pita bread. So here I have my pita bread that I've just warmed up in the microwave, and I'm just going to add just a thin layer of the yogurt sauce in the bottom, and that's kind of to hold my lettuce in. Just like that. Now I'm just going to add some of that lettuce that we cut up earlier, along with some of those tomatoes. Like that. Now we're just going to add some of that chicken on top. And now I'm just going to put some of that yogurt sauce along the top, just like this. And you're just going to wrap it up like this. And that's it, guys. That's how you make chicken shawarma. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If so, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, share, subscribe, put in your post notification so you know when I upload new videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.